How to make a Google form public but not editable on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to share your form openly while keeping respondents from changing the actual form itself. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to forms.google.com and log into your account if you are not already signed in. At this point, open the form you want to share publicly without allowing edits. From there, click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. After that, click on Send to open the sharing options. In the next step, click on the link icon to generate a shareable link for your form. From there, double-check this is the response link and not an edit link, since these are two completely different URLs in Google Forms. Once done, click on Copy to copy the correct response link to your clipboard. Following this, before sharing, go back and click on the three dots again, then click on Settings to verify your form's permissions. From here, make sure Restrict to Users in your organization is toggled off if you want it accessible to anyone outside your organization. At this stage, this link only allows people to fill out and submit the form. It does not grant them any ability to edit the questions or structure. After this, only you, as the form owner, along with anyone you have specifically added as a collaborator, will have access to the actual edit link and editing permissions. Keep in mind, never accidentally share the edit link instead of the response link, as the edit link gives full access to modify your form's questions and settings. Finally, go back to your form and confirm you are sharing the correct response-only link before distributing it further. And that's it. If this guide helped you make a Google form public but not editable, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.